Many people are talking about Claude Projects, but here's the thing, 90% of users are missing its real power. I've analyzed hundreds of Claude conversations and also Claude projects, and I'm seeing the same mistakes over and over again. So today I'm going to show you the right way to use projects. That will probably 10x your result. And no, it's not going to be only about uploading a few documents and hope for the best. The main mistakes that they have is that people are uploading single documents or doing the basic chat interface, just in general messy project organizations. And I'll tell you that, so I've spent the last 3 months testing every possible way to use Claude projects. And I have helped a few businesses also to implement it. So I discovered some patterns that separate average users from power users. That's what I'm about to show you. And it isn't about the theory, it's based on real results. Basically, here I'm going into Claude projects and I've built myself a very specific project. It's important to say that also Claude projects it's only a paid feature. So we need to have a paid membership in order to use it. Okay, so let me give you this example. So what we have here is the video scripting projects. This is the one that I really like. So first of all, I created a database with different suggestions. So I've built a database of hooks and formulas, right? And that database just gives me all of the different hooks that are possible when starting a video. This is an example. I just actually copy and pasted it from a spreadsheet that I have. So if I'll jump real quick to a spreadsheet that's created by my YouTube coach, you have the viral hook database, and I've just uploaded it to the AI, and that was as simple as that. In addition to that, I gave it also the data of how I wanted to handle scripts. So at the end of the day, I want this project to do video scripting for my YouTube channel, which is the channel that you're seeing right now. I give it like the template, like what's the hook, key hook, content planning, structure, script development, and so on. So I'm using this project to create some kind of a template. This is the second part of the database. Number 3 is the YouTube knowledge base. So I have here the YouTube knowledge base, which is my idea of what my channel is doing, like what are you creating for who and so on. So I'm creating it because I believe AI shouldn't be intimidating or exclusive. Every business owner deserves to understand and harness the AI's power, right? So I gave it exactly what I think this YouTube is all about, which is this YouTube, the AI Makers Lab. And I'm using these 3 documents as a base. This is my RAG application, basically very basic RAG application. Now I also give it custom instructions. So here I say to it, use the knowledge base to get the idea about the audience. You're going to get a script of one of my competitors. So basically I'm taking a transcript by a competitor. And then as the first step, give me the suggestions for hooks based on the hooks and formula doc that I gave you. Step 2, when I approve it, basically, when approved, create a general breakdown and scripting for the video. Create it as a separate, base it on the blueprint of YouTube script creation master template. So I save the instructions and that's about it. So the next step is to use another tool, which is a plugin for YouTube. This is the plugin real quick. Let me jump real quick to YouTube. Let's say that I'm going into this YouTube channel to interview this guy right now, and we have this plugin. I will add it also in the show notes, and it automatically generates the transcript of my competition for me. This is brilliant. So what I can do is I can just copy the transcript and I paste it right here, and I tell it I want to create a version of this video for AI business owners. Go. Now, when I will tell it to go, it should give me an idea for a few hooks based on my hooks and formulas database. So that's what's happening. Hook suggestions, success story, transformation hook, countive statement, and so on. That's amazing. That's perfect. I'm going to YouTube and I'm basically about to use another plugin which I really like. Let's say that we have a YouTube video by one of my competition. This is a great example. So you can just take this one. Perfect. So I can basically take the transcript from this person and I could just drop it right here. Go. And now what it's going to do is going to take my custom instructions and all of the database. And what we have here is some kind of a retrieval augmented generation application, RAG application, based on Claude projects that is doing something specific, which is helping me to create scripts for my YouTube video. That's the video scripting project. I put the transcript here and now it's supposed to suggest me a few hooks. Let's see where it takes us. So that one and so on. So let's say that let's do this one from 0 to 1,000 monthly, 4 boring business ideas that actually work. Sounds like an actually cool topic. The next step would be to create some kind of a template based on my database of the template to create that template for my videos. Everyone's talking about AI startups and crypto millions, intro, content breakdown, and so on. So we have all of it. This is just perfect. we used Claude and different data points in order to script ourselves. Now the last thing I'm about to do, I will tell it now. I want you to create the text for the prompter for me. So what I can do, I can just copy and paste this text for a prompter. I'm using this app, teleprompter for iPhone, and I just copy and paste it over there, put it above my camera, and then I use also the prompter. So it gives you the hook you chose, it gives you the prompt, it gives you also editing instructions. So this is the video scripting project. One more thing you could do, you could also go to your projects and basically manage the whole thing here from scratch. So we have the video scripting. I created another one, which is the UX writing analyzer that help people to analyze the UX writing. And also I've built a proof of concept for a client that wanted to build some kind of AI to do insurance claim management solution. So I've built this project that basically you could upload your project knowledge, add content, you could upload from device or just add text content. In this specific case, I just added a text, which is when do someone deserve to get money from insurance based on the regulation. And all they have to do is to drop some documents into this, and the AI will help them to understand if their claim could work or not. The next step, by the way, is to create make automations and connect makes to it. That's the next step. And that's more or less about it. There are many more things you could do with Claude Projects. You could do business analysis and put a lot of data over there and learn some new stuff. For example, if you want to learn a new field, like, I don't know, the crypto mining field. If you want to get some more templates and ideas, I recommend you to join the discussion in the AI Makers Lab community. The link is down below, and I'm there to answer all of your questions. Once we reach 100 people, we're going to have weekly live meetings with me, where we're just going to create AI stuff together. That's going to be lovely. I'll give you tips about how to create, how to get clients, how to do funnels, how to do content strategy, and professional knowledge about how to actually build those AI projects for your clients. That's about it for now. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.